Hey everyone, are you facing a challenge to the recover of your Gmail password? Unfortunately, you forgot your Gmail password, or someone who has hacked your Gmail password, or someone who has changed everything. Now, only once you know your the particular Gmail ID, then yes, don't worry, this can be rescued easily. We will try to generate here more alternative options to other rescue of it. If you are having this kind of challenges that you did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is really yours. That condition of course, this can be possible by a best alternative options. Yes, to pick it without having the recovery email and the recovery forms. Yes, this can be risk. How it is possible? Let's check it out with real demonstrations. Right now, see, this area has been recommended by one viewer. Unfortunately, he has lost his device, and due to losing of his device, now he was totally exhausted by rescuing of this setting. But now the finally has recommended, and let's see, we will try with in front of you live demo. But similar step is that you will have to yes apply. So right now, see, it's asking last password. We don't have last password, guys. We don't have a phone so that verification can be entered easily. Now, here it's asking especially phone number, etc. We don't have. So now, see here what it says. It is a thing that you have limitation options, and that is answer as many questions as you can. Second is that use a device where you have to shine in the before. And third is that if any alternative email or family link has been linked to this particular ID, then we have to send your email. Yes, we have sent an email to your parents to change your password. We don't know and things. Now, how can I? First and foremost, guys, simply we will cut it from here, and we will have to go especially in the Play Store. Take any smartphone, apply a simple strategy, and don't forget to leave a feedback below the comment box. Yes. Now what we will do, guys, here, just we will come in a search bar to here. We will have to check it out one browser that is a via fast browser. Very easy, and scarcely it's a 3 MB. That's all. So easily it will be installed within quickly 30 seconds. So now it's installing. On the other hand, 2-3 chances that is very crucial, guys. So let's see. We will come on here in a Google to, of course, we will hold this Google browser and click on this app info icons, and thereupon we will come in a notifications, tap on it, guys, and notification we will have to make it a block. So finally it has been blocked. Now we will have to move back one more time here, and we will come on a permission. In a permission, guys, here what we will do, just we will click on location permission, and please make it customized to the precise location. Let it off, then click here. So it's essential that if you deny this permission, basic features of your device may no longer the function as intended, but for time being I am doing it. So let's don't allow. We'll have to back one more time, guys, here. When we tap on it, then see free, remove permission, and the free of it's automatically off. If it is enabled, then you will have to tap on to make it disable. Fines. We'll have to back one more time, guys, here, and we can see here everything has done. Here we will have to come in a sheet as a default. So from this, tap on it, make it the clear, open supported links. We will have to make it disable. Files. Now we'll have to come in a permission here, remove permission if app is unused. Files. Now what we will do, guys, here we will close it. Check it out how many browser you are using or you have been using on each browser, except that recently you have a yes, just we have downloaded from the Play Store, except that we will have to apply this strategy on each. So here Just we will go on especially tapping on this app info. Similarly, we will have to especially apply. So tap on it a little bit slow responding in this especially device, and now we will come in a permission. In permission, of course, make it disable. Then we'll come in a special and location, make it don't allow. Tap on ads, don't allow. No longer the function is intended. Fine, so let's get it from here now. We'll come to Play Store. Now it's the time to let's have get up. Now see guys, it has been opened, and here simply we will have to tap on this. That is nothing, just we will come in Google search engines and go in the inside of ads. Now here at the corner there will be a especially shine option. It's a sync to the robot and etc. So once again we will go on a particular right here, that is Google. Go on this, then see here, tap on it that I'm not a robot, and this kind of the captcha is coming here a little bit. This Macalandy of this just we will go for the next of this. Now it's a traffic lights asking fines. Let's see, sometimes now it's buses. Of course we will enter this all, and let's see, and God, it's especially a little bit disturbing guys and irritating from this kind of the functions. So we will write here google.com, and we will go for inside of it. So let's see what's the change. Still it is asking guys. We'll go for, let's get it from here. Once again we will come on here guys, we will open by here. So it is asking, so once again we will pick some these ones. Just we will click on especially, let's see right here Gmail, and see here what's happening. Still it's asking robot. I don't know, let me verify some this one. We will have to anyhow this we have to go for now cross. Now since this has been completed, you will have to follow this kind of instructions to answer the Google suspect you guys. So what we can has, now we will go in the silence. Here it is. Now what we will write here, we will go for especially that ID that we want to rescue of ads. That's ID we would like to especially go for it. So where what was the ID option, that let me have say especially what was the ID. ID was that especially stock DS match files, of course. So once again we will cut it, come the Play Store, and the Play Store open to especially yes TR. It was especially, see guys, especially in the multiple area, especially happen the recovery according to the recommendation from the viewers. So that's why especially I was a little confused that what's the ID that needed to address co-feds. Now see here, yes, now this is a particular, so we don't have a password on this array. Fine, it's asking especially device, we don't have a device, so just we will go for try another way. Now see here what's going to happen so further. Yes, we will try another way. Now this is a fully registered yes array. This is a particular ID that if you click on here by entering this number, then so this OTP would be generated. Yes, and after generating OTP we will enter here the verification, and then this is the easiest way to the rescue. But this is verified number of the US. This viewer is basically from the US guys. So now what we will do here, we don't have a phone number, so can I have the more options to rescue it? Yes, this can be possible guys. Now see here, can I have the more options? Yes, more tips to rescue in this account. By that of course these are automatically can be rescued. How it is? Google will assist to us. Yeah, one is that answer as many questions as you can. Second is that use a device where you have the sign-in report. Third is that family link or any alternative recovery emails. Of course, we have to censor that and change the OTP of that. By sending OTP, change the password. We don't have anything, so can I have the more option? More tips to address Google. Don't click on here. Smartly we will go in the SPSLAM setting inside of this. Now what we'll do, guys, here you will have on each smartphone, so there is an option that Google services and the preferences. Just to tap on it, guys. Now what we will do, just we will have to tap on this three dot and we'll have options. Now we are taking Google Assistant and see the Google Assistant how automatically it will assist you to especially on here. 4-5 special option and opportunity has been given, but we will pick according to my choice that hacked Gmail recovery we would like to show. Now if you make excuses this things that we are having this kind of the challenge, then you will have an opportunity that yes, any secured or hacked or compromised Google accounts on it. If we taps and then see here what's going to happen. Here they will have options, that is review your account activities, we can see, and which devices. Now see, review which devices you use your accounts, or especially uses your accounts. You can check it out on this by tapping what are the especially devices that has been activated this particular this setting. But here what we will do, I am not going to check it out. Just we will come the review your account activities, and there is option that find out if your account has been hacked. Just tap, so you will be directly recommended here to come on these tabs, and when we click on that, make it sure that only once there should be this opportunity, means you are on a Google right path of recovery page. Now here is a what if I can't sign in. So one is a special replacement, of course, replacement to Google account. Second is that yes, avoid getting locked out of your Gmail account. If the two option is only one coming, so then we'll scroll up, and here we can see the recovery page and tap on it. And now see, don't do anything. So now automatically just one tap, and when we one tap, so then this side automatically will recommend you and go for next, and see magically not required anything, smoothly it's welcome to you, guys. What do you say here? So a step by step with a very slow procedure that I mentioned you. Don't forget to skip any step, guys. Watch carefully 1 to 2 times if you would like to be a perfect to fix the Gmail recovery, especially elements on any particular Gmail ID. Now here, don't forget to click on an update password. Don't go for continue, otherwise you would be in trap. What's the traps? This will be its verify you option, and there you don't have recovery phone number, and the recovery email is not already added alternative email. So smartly we will have to click on an update password, and now we will have, here it is, all the opportunity. Create a strong password, go for confirm password and save it. After save it, we'll have to go the inside of Google account management. There in option security. In security, firstly we will add alternative emails, and after adding the alternative emails, then OTP would be generated. Maybe you will have an opportunity to, yes, come on, alternative OTP on your recovery email, and then yes, we can remove this phone number that is registered by the hacker or by emails, and after removing off, add a new phone number as alternative recovery. So this ID will be fully secure. In this procedure further we cannot show you guys because this is a privacy concern of my viewer, and yes, he was very worried, especially at your address covered. So there is some private data also, especially show maybe privacy concerns, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial, and thank you for staying the hell end of this tutorial. Hi, this is a Technology Welfare, and I will be back with a step by step with new tutorial. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these concerns, because it really supports in this channel and inspire, yes, me too also to make such as informative tutorial, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.